Hi, I'm Elspeth. I work for the Yorkshire Wildlife Trust. We're here at Elwood, and I would just like to thank Banks Community Fund for funding the fence work that we've done here. We've had issues of antisocial behaviour on site with quad bikes and 4x4s coming onto site, but with this fund we've managed to put in some fencing with some pedestrian access points, which has really helped to stop that antisocial behaviour, and hopefully, as you will see, we will have bluebells all around us.